I want to show you how I have Claude Code on speed dial, where I can talk to it with my voice. This is great for being able to ask questions of the code base, develop plans and kick them off, and even being able to use it like a chief of staff and ask questions of my email, my Notion pages, and even file a Jira for me really quickly. So let me show you how it works, and then I'll show you how to set up. I can wire up a keyboard shortcut on my Mac where I can just quickly press a key and immediately be sending to it. I can do that with up to 10 different agents, and they can be agents across different platforms, Claude, Hermes, OpenClaw, etc. I can also do it on the go from a mobile device, just a swipe, and I'm sending to the agent. And if my computer's off, it's all queued. So when I open my computer back up, it all catches up and processes what was missed. So a lot of advantages to this approach. Let me show you what I mean when I say I have Claude on speed dial. I'm going to hit option 5. I'm going to follow Jira. Can you follow Jira for me about a issue I saw when creating agents? It's ending up back on the list rather than into the setup immediately upon creation. So we want that to go right to setup after the agent creation, and then can go back to the list. Send me a link to that when you've created it. So there it goes. I can do that from anywhere on the Mac, from any screen. Don't need to go find the window and look for it. Here you can see it asked a question for me, and I can answer that here, but you'll actually notice that that actually also got presented here. So if I'm on the go anywhere, I could immediately answer here. And so I'm going to just go ahead and say yes, can do that always. So while I'm showing this running here in the window, this could be running, in the background anywhere. And like I said, I could be on the go. So I'm going to go ahead and accept a few of these. I recently reconnected it, so I need to go through the permissions again, but once I've set them up, they get remembered. Great. And you can see it came right back. And I can just, go here, look at the link, see the Jira that just got created. So that's super cool. As I said, you can do anything with it. You can access all the different MCPs that are there, so you can really start to turn Claude into your chief of staff and use it as a way to ask questions of your email, ask questions of Notion pages, create Notion pages, etc. Anything you want to do, really easy, where Claude Code essentially becomes the brains that you can access on the go. So let me show you how to set this up. You come over here to the agent page, say create agent, and right here I can say create a new agent real quick. I can go to settings, and right here from settings you'll see Claude Code. And with this you can create your access token. So I have that ready to go. Copy that out so you have it. I'm going to want to create this JSON. So I'm going to come over here to my project. I'm going to create a new file new.mcp.json. I'm going to go ahead and put it into this directory. Here I have my file. I'm going to paste my path in. I'm going to grab this code. I'm going to put that here at the top. Then I can grab that access token, and I am going to plug it in right here. And I save the file. So now that's in the project. You want to put that in whatever project directory you're going to have Claude running out of. You want that there. And then come back to the instructions. You'll see that you just start Claude with this command. This is what tells it to run the channel. And this is because currently Claude Code has this in preview. I'm going to come in, create a terminal here, and then I can start it with that command I just showed you. Say, yes, I trust this. You'll then get a permission request of using MCP because you have a new MCP file. I'm going to say yes to all of them and say yes. What you see here is Claude started up, and it is registering, making sure it's good to go and can talk to that agent. You'll need to confirm. This first check is the ability for it to talk to it. And now that's up and running, connected. And if we come back over into Carbon Voice, we can look right here to the agent. It says it's set up. And I'm going to go ahead and send the first message. I'm going to say here, you see that the agent acknowledged it. I need to give it permission. So you'll have a couple of permissions you need to do up front. Yes, it's able to send messages. That enables it to reply back. And there it is able to respond. So we're up and running, and now I can ask questions. Or I can do it by voice. What MCP servers are connected to this project? It looks like it actually pulled over some of my other tools from my account, so that's great. That makes it really easy to get going. You see both commands running. It knows to reply to the different one, explains what that repo is. That's actually the plugin where we're building the Hermes agent. And then it also came back and told us that that is in there. And then there's some other MCP setup that's available to me as well. So there it is, super easy to get up and running. I would suggest running this out into a terminal. It's easier that way, and to be able to find them and manage and turn them on and off so it's not tied to your IDE. And looking forward for you to trying out. Reach out if you have any questions.